Hello everybody and welcome back to Columbus Aviation. Today we have yet another model to unbox, and that would be the Delta Airlines Boeing 737-800 made by NG. This is registration November 374 Delta Alpha. And yeah, so let's take a look at the box. There's not too much to say about this model other than that it's got the split scimitars, which looks very nice from the box. And it's pretty much a standard NG box. So without further ado, let's crack this on open. Alright guys, here is the Boeing 737-800 with the splits, made by NG again, I said. So let's take a look, an in-depth look at it. Up by the cockpit windows, you've got the SkyTeam logo and a few details over there. And then the Delta widget and titles. I really like the Delta widget. It's actually one of my favorite liveries. I don't know, I just really like the look of it. It's very clean. The blue, Delta blue engines, and then we've got the splits, no logos on it or anything, not on the inside either, you can see that over there. I think it would be cool if Delta introduced the widget to their winglets. If they didn't do it like American, introduce the flight symbol. If they did it like that, then they should never bother. You've got the double emergency exit row and that Wi-Fi box up there. A few antenna. I feel like, is it missing one? It could be missing one, but I'm not exactly sure. My other NG 737s have one about here behind the Wi-Fi box. But that could be just a difference in the registration. I don't know. So we've got the American flag and registration, November 374 Delta Alpha. L2 door and the tail with the widget on it, which looks very nice. Flip her around to the other side. We have got, let's start in the back as per usual. We've got the good old widget and thing. We've tail, I should say. We've got R2 door, registration and American flag again. Aft cargo door. Moving up, we've got the engine and winglet, and also the double emergency doors again. Titles, blocked windows, and R1 door, and then the SkyTeam logo. So yeah, that's just about all of this model. Let's take a look at the top. Looks pretty cool up there. And I guess I'll show you the bottom too. We've got the Delta belly, which looks very nice. So yeah, that's this NG 737-800. Pretty cool model. I think this would operate like the Atlanta legs out of most of my flights. I know these occasionally come into CMH. It's always nice to see a 737-8 with splits. I don't see many of those from Delta. I think they only have a few. Don't quote me on that though. Anyways, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe. Columbus Aviation, signing out.